Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel One, and today I want to show you how you can bypass this phone's Google protection. So you can see that my phone right here is locked. I have this little lock icon that signifies that I would need to basically unlock it using either the pattern or Google account that was previously used. That's one thing. Now, to get started with the bypass itself, you want to connect to Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna choose mine right here. I'll log into it. There we go. So now that I have connected to my network, it's gonna start looking for whatever. I'm gonna ignore it and go back to the first page, assuming I can. There we go. And I'm gonna select Vision Settings. From here, you wanna select Talkback, enable it. So use Talkback, allow. Now we'll mute it.
Talkback on. Talkback.
Boy, this phone is a bit slow. So anyway, once you see this talkback welcoming screen, you want to draw a mirrored L on a screen, kind of like this. So I'm gonna do it right now. There we go. From here, allow option will be selected, so double click on it now and select use voice commands by tapping on it once, and then we're gonna double tap it in a second. But before we do so, I'm gonna quickly tell you what we need to say. So when you tap on it, the device will start listening to you, and you want to basically say open YouTube. So I'm gonna do that right now. Or wait, let me quickly make sure. No, actually not open YouTube. We're gonna start off with open Google Assistant. Open Google Assistant. Open Google Assistant. I think it didn't hear the entire thing because the phone is a little bit too... Open YouTube. Okay, so that's what we wanted to do. The phone is terribly slow, so this is kind of not as I'm used to. Usually it works a little bit quicker. So as you've seen or heard, there was a beep. First beep, you wanted to say open Google Assistant. The second beep was for the Google Assistant, and you wanted to say open YouTube. Once you open up YouTube, we will want to suspend the talkback, so you want to hold volume up and down at the same time. Select turn on by tapping on it once and then double tapping to confirm it, and then hold the volume up and down once more. And as you can see, it's now turned off. Anyway, from here we're gonna select the account icon. Then we're gonna select, let me quickly follow up on what I need to do. Okay, so we're gonna select help and feedback. Okay, and here you want to type in delete or disable apps on Android. Now, starting to type it in, it should bring it up as a suggested, so you won't need to type the entire phrase in. There we go, delete or disable apps on Android. Click on that option. Give it a second for it to actually load it. Scroll down a little bit and you want to select right here, tap to go application settings. Start off by selecting the first option, which is Android setup. select force stop, and OK. Go back once, and scroll down to Google Play Services, which I think I just missed. There we go, Google Play Services. And in here we're gonna select disable app, force stop, and OK. Okay, so now that these two are disabled, we're gonna now back out. Yes, let's select agree here, skip. And as you can see, it just brings us to the home screen. Now, the bypass is not finished just yet. So what you want to do is select settings. From here, scroll down to system and select not restore. Oh wait, that is a reset. There we go. Reset, and then factory data reset. You're gonna select reset phone, and if there is another option to select reset or of any sort, do press that as well. I'm not gonna go through this. The phone is a little bit too slow, so this would take a couple minutes too long, and honestly just a factory reset, so there's nothing to show. It's an automated process. Once it's completed, you will be taken back to the setup screen of the phone, at which point you can set up your phone however you like. It will be fully unlocked from there, so do add your Google account if you want to, or skip it. Like I said, it's completely up to you. So with that in mind, I'm not gonna go through it just to so I don't waste your time. So that is how we can bypass the Google verification on this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.